Let's be clear, making someone chase you isn't about manipulation or playing games, it's about sparking genuine interest and attraction. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, the version that naturally draws people in. This goes beyond superficial tricks. It's about cultivating confidence, understanding what makes you attractive, and learning how to connect with women on a deeper level. Think of it this way, imagine a moth drawn to a flame. The flame doesn't chase the moth, it simply exists, radiating warmth and light. That's the energy we're aiming for, an irresistible aura that inspires others to move closer. Forget gimmicks. Forget forcing anything. This is about embarking on a journey of self-discovery and becoming magnetically attractive from the inside out. Intrigued? Then let's dive in. The journey to becoming irresistibly attractive starts with self-reflection. Take a moment to understand who you are and what you truly want. Set personal goals and aspirations that align with your values and passions. When you pursue what genuinely excites you, your enthusiasm becomes contagious. Engage in hobbies and activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Whether it's playing a musical instrument, painting, or hiking, these pursuits add depth to your character. Practicing self-care and mindfulness is crucial. Take care of your physical health, eat well, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Meditation and mindfulness practices can help you find inner peace and balance. When you're centered and calm, you exude a natural confidence that draws people in. Building meaningful relationships is another key aspect. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who uplift and inspire you. Show genuine interest in others, listen actively, ask thoughtful questions, and be present in your interactions. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel valued and understood. Embrace vulnerability and authenticity. Don't be afraid to show your true self, flaws and all. Authenticity is magnetic because it fosters trust and connection. Learn and grow from your experiences. Every challenge and setback is an opportunity for growth. Embrace the lessons and use them to become a better version of yourself. As you continue on this journey, you'll find that your confidence and positivity radiate outward, attracting others to you effortlessly. So, are you ready to take on the world with your newfound energy and irresistible aura? Remember, it's more than a game, it's a way of life. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the incredible potential within you. The adventure awaits. Let's dive in and make it happen. Confidence is the bedrock of attraction. It's about recognizing your self-worth, owning your unique qualities, and carrying yourself with a sense of self-assuredness. Confidence isn't about being the loudest or most extroverted person in the room. It's about feeling comfortable in your own skin, regardless of the situation. It's about knowing your value and not needing external validation to reinforce it.
Start by identifying and challenging your insecurities. What negative self-talk do you engage in? Replace these thoughts with positive affirmations. Focus on your strengths and achievements. Remember, confidence is a process, not a destination. It's about taking small steps each day to embrace and celebrate the incredible person you are.
Your body language is a powerful tool of communication, often speaking louder than words. It can convey confidence, openness, and interest before you even utter a word. Stand tall with your shoulders back and head held high. Maintain good eye contact when interacting with others. Don't be afraid to take up space. It shows you're comfortable and at ease.
When you're talking to a woman, angle your body towards her, demonstrating interest and engagement. Use open gestures with your hands, avoiding crossed arms or fidgeting, which can signal defensiveness or nervousness. Remember, becoming aware of and mastering your body language can significantly enhance your attractiveness and create an irresistible presence.
Section 4. Eyes and Smiles. The universal language of attraction. There's a reason why they say the eyes are the windows to the soul. Eye contact is a powerful tool for building connection and attraction. It conveys confidence, interest, and a willingness to engage.
When you lock eyes with someone, hold their gaze for a few seconds longer than feels comfortable. This shows that you're present, interested, and unafraid to connect. A slight smile while maintaining eye contact can further amplify the message, conveying warmth and approachability.
Don't underestimate the power of a genuine smile. Smiling makes you appear more approachable, trustworthy, and attractive. It signals that you're happy, confident, and enjoying the interaction. So, relax your face, flash a genuine smile, and watch the magic happen. Section 5. Dressing the part style as a reflection of self. The way you dress is an extension of your personality and a powerful form of self-expression. Your clothing choices can speak volumes about who you are, even before you say a word. They can convey your mood, your values, and your aspirations. It can communicate your confidence, your taste, and your attention to detail. All qualities that women find attractive. When you dress well, you not only feel good about yourself, but you also project an image of someone who is self-assured and in control. This can be incredibly appealing to others.
This doesn't mean you need to wear designer suits or follow every trend. Fashion is not about the price tag or the brand name. It's about how you carry yourself in what you wear. You can look just as stylish in a well-chosen non-designer outfit as you can in high-end fashion. It's about finding a style that makes you feel confident and comfortable in your skin. When you wear clothes that resonate with your personal style, you naturally exude confidence. This confidence is what truly makes you attractive, not the labels on your clothes. Invest in well-fitting clothes that flatter your body type and reflect your personal style. The fit of your clothes is crucial. Even the most expensive outfit will look unflattering if it doesn't fit well. Take the time to find pieces that enhance your best features and make you feel great.
Pay attention to the details. Choose accessories that complement your outfit. Accessories can elevate your look and add a touch of personality. Whether it's a watch, a belt, or a pair of sunglasses, the right accessories can make a significant difference. Make sure your shoes are clean, and groom yourself impeccably. Your grooming habits are just as important as your clothing choices. Clean, well-maintained shoes and good grooming show that you pay attention to the finer details and care about your appearance. When you put effort into your appearance, it shows that you care about yourself and the impression you make on others. This effort doesn't go unnoticed. People appreciate and respect someone who takes pride in their appearance. It reflects a sense of self-respect and discipline, qualities that are universally admired. Remember, style is not just about the clothes you wear, but how you wear them. It's about the confidence you exude and the message you send to the world. So take the time to develop your personal style, invest in quality pieces, and always present the best version of yourself. In the end, your style is a reflection of who you are. It's a powerful tool that can help you make a lasting impression and connect with others on a deeper level. So, embrace your unique style and let it be a true reflection of your inner self. Section 6. Mastering the art of conversation, spark, and substance. Being able to hold a stimulating conversation is crucial for building attraction and connection. It's not just about talking, it's about creating a meaningful exchange that resonates with both parties. When you engage in a conversation that has both spark and substance, you create a memorable experience that can lay the foundation for a deeper relationship. It's about engaging her mind, making her laugh, and leaving her wanting more. The key is to be genuinely interested in what she has to say, and to respond in a way that shows you are paying attention. This kind of engagement can make the conversation feel more like a dance, where both partners are in sync and enjoying the moment.
Be a good listener. Listening is an art that requires patience and empathy. When you listen attentively, you show that you value the other person's thoughts and feelings. This can make the other person feel appreciated and understood, which is essential for building a strong connection. Ask open-ended questions and genuinely listen to her responses. Open-ended questions encourage more detailed and thoughtful answers, which can lead to a more engaging and meaningful conversation. This also shows that you are genuinely interested in getting to know her better. Show genuine interest in her thoughts, experiences, and passions. When you show that you care about what she has to say, you create a space where she feels comfortable sharing more about herself. This can lead to deeper and more meaningful conversations that can strengthen your connection. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel heard and understood. Active listening involves not just hearing the words, but also understanding the emotions and intentions behind them. This can create a strong bond and make the other person feel valued and respected.
Don't be afraid to be playful and inject humor into your conversations. Playfulness and humor can lighten the mood and make the conversation more enjoyable. It can also help to break down barriers and create a more relaxed and open atmosphere. Humor can be a powerful tool for breaking the ice, creating a relaxed atmosphere, and building rapport. When you share a laugh, you create a positive and memorable experience that can bring you closer together. Just make sure that your humor is appropriate and respectful. Share your own stories and experiences, but avoid dominating the conversation. Sharing personal stories can make the conversation more interesting and relatable. However, it's important to strike a balance and ensure that the conversation is a two-way exchange. This shows that you are interested in her experiences as well. Remember, the goal is to create a balanced and engaging exchange that leaves her wanting to learn more about you. A successful conversation is one where both parties feel heard, understood, and intrigued. By mastering the art of conversation, you can create a connection that is both deep and lasting.